Hey guys, welcome to Clarity Chart Analysis. In this channel, I'll be interpreting, analyzing the market structure, telling us our current position on the price market chart, and also using the market structure to predict the next possible move of the market. But first, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and put on the notification to be notified anytime I drop a new video. So guys, welcome to the Bitcoin USDT price market chart. I already made a video on the market structure. You can go back to the channel and search for the video for the market structure. I'll be dropping the link that links to the market structure below. The major purpose for this video is I'll be summarizing the market structure. I'll be telling us our current position on the price market chart, whether we're on an impulsive phase, a pullback phase, or a ranging phase. And guys, I will be using a flip tool that is customized into premium and discount level. And lastly, I'll be identifying highly probability POIs I expect price to get to before we see a significant move. So guys, on our major structure, the most recent break of structure we saw was a break of structure to the downside. We saw the bears broke structure to the downside and took price back down to this point. And guys, after then, remember in our previous video, after every break of structure, we should expect a pullback. So guys, currently now, we're expecting a pullback. Guys, but for us to be sure that we're on a pullback phase, we need price to break this swing, because it was actually this swing that gave us this lower low. But currently, guys, as long as price have not breaking this swing, or as long as price have not traded above this swing, guys, we should expect more break of structure to the downside because price is still on an impulsive phase. So guys, our major structure is still on an impulsive phase. Then guys, our major structure now, the swing is between this lower high and this lower low. So I'll be bringing in the flip tool, which is customizing to premium and discount level. The upper part of the flip tool is my premium level and the lower part is my discount level. That anytime, just see it in this view, that anytime you're buying a commodity you want to sell out, you would love to buy it on discount prices so you can sell it on premium prices to make more profit. So guys, now currently we're expecting a pullback. If price should pull back to this point, then guys, we should now be on the premium phase of our flip tool. From that point, we'll be more confident of selling off, and by then we are even sure that we are on a pullback phase of the Bitcoin USDT price market chart, which is around the $21,347. But guys, if you are not seeing any pullback to this point, then we should expect more break of structure to the downside. So guys, let's move to a lower time frame. Let's go do the same thing we did on our major structure. So guys, our minor structure now is trading between this lower high and this lower low of our major structure. And guys, the most recent break of structure we saw was another break of structure to the downside. So guys, we're expecting a pullback. Guys, for us to be sure that we're on a pullback phase, we need price to take out this swing that gave us this lower low on our minor structure. So guys, currently now, we are not yet on a pullback phase because it's possible that we can just see price continue breaking more structure to the downside. So guys, currently now, we're still on an impulsive phase on our minor structure. And if you're bringing in our flip tool to see to what point we expect price, let's say if price should not trade above this swing, to what point we expect price to pull back to. Okay, now we expect price to come back to this premium level, which if price is trading and coming back to this premium level, then by then we will be sure that we're on a pullback phase. So guys, currently now, let's not be surprising more break of structure to the downside, except this phase is taken out. And guys, at this point, based on the market structure, I don't think Bitcoin is bottoming out anytime soon, because from this point price is trading for price to come back to this supply zone, it needs about 44% upward. And guys, do you think Bitcoin is doing that anytime soon? So guys, I've already identified our highly probability POIs on our minor structure and on our major structure. Guys, so what do you think? Do you think from this point price is trading, price can still come back to supply zone 2 before we continue seeing more break of structure to the downside? Or do you think price will have to come back to supply zone 1 before we continue seeing more break of structure to the downside? Well guys, from this point price is actually trading, price will just continue breaking more structure to the downside. Using our measuring tool, for price to come back to this demand zone, which is around the $12,000, $13,000, guys, price need to fall about 28% more. Or from this point, for price to come back to this major supply zone on top, which is around $25, price need to go about 50% more upward. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think? Do you think we are going downward or we are going upward? Well, based on the market structure currently, guys, we should continue seeing more breakout structure to the downside, because we've not seen pullback both on our major structure and on our minor structure. So it seems price has not yet bottomed out. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and put on the notification to be notified anytime I drop a new video.